Right, series problem. Given that the roots of the equation x cube plus 3px plus 3qx plus r equal to 0 are in AP, then we prove that condition. GP, we have to prove that condition. R in HP, so we have to prove that condition. Right. First thing. So what is the given equation? Given equation is f of x equal to x cube plus 3px plus 3qx plus r equal to 0. What is the S1? S1 equal to. So this is a given equation. Let us see the first problem. The roots of equation one are in AP. So how you take the numbers? So let the roots be a minus b comma a plus b. What is the S1? S1 equal to a minus b plus a plus b. What is that equal to? Minus 3. BD gets cancelled. 3a equal to minus 3. A equal to minus 3. So a equal to minus 3. That is the root of the given equation. What are the roots of the given equation? A minus b, a plus b. So this root must satisfy the given equation. Put a equal to minus b in the given equation. That's it. So a equal to minus b is put a equal to minus b in the given equation. Put a equal to minus b in given equation. So substitute in the given equation minus b. What is that replacement? Put a value a cube plus 3pa square plus 3qa plus r equal to 0. What is the a value? Minus b whole cube plus 3p into minus b plus 3q plus r equal to 0. Minus p cube minus p also plus p square plus 3p cube minus 3p cube plus r equal to 0. Plus 2p cube minus 3p cube plus r equal to 0. 2p cube equal to 3p cube minus 1. So that is the condition. So this one 2p cube minus 3p cube plus r equal to 0. That is the condition. So the roots are in AP and the condition is 2p cube equal to 3p cube minus r. The roots of the equation 1 are in GP. So how you take the 3 roots in GP? Let the roots be a by k, a comma a k. Actually we are using r, but r already in the equation. So we are using some other variable a by k, a k. What is S3 equal to? A by k, a into a k. That equal to minus r. Cancel k, a cube equal to minus r. A equal to minus r whole power 1 by 3. That equal to minus r power 1 by 3. So what is the a value? Minus r power 1 by 3. Now substitute a value in the given equation. a cube plus 3pa square plus 3qa plus r equal to 0. Put a equal to this one. Minus r power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3pa into minus r power 1 by 3 whole square plus 3q into minus r power 1 by 3 plus r equal to 0. What is this implies? Minus 1 cube minus r power 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. Minus r plus 3p into minus whole square plus r power 2 by 3 minus 3q into r power 1 by 3 plus r equal to 0. R gets cancelled. That implies 3p into r power 2 by 3 equal to 3q into r power 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. P r power 2 by 3 whole cube equal to q r power 1 by 3 whole cube. So p cube r square equal to q cube r. One r also gets cancelled. P cube r equal to q cube. So that is the condition. When the roots are in GP, then the condition is p cube r equal to q cube.